Do you want to know how you can find Telegram group's user phone number? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can find the Telegram group's user phone number. Go ahead and open Telegram, open any group and go to the group settings. Now click on the number which you want to see. Let's suppose I want to see this number. You can see that the number info is over here. You can copy the phone number and do anything with it. Let's check with other group members. So let's go ahead and choose this group. Go to here and you can see that you cannot go into this group. So this way you can see the group members' phone number. Let's search for other groups. So let's go ahead and go to a group. Let's go to this group. So you can see this channel is not available right now. So go ahead and choose one of the group of your choice and go to its group settings. Let me show you. Go to group settings, tap on the number which you want to see, and there you go. This is how you check the number or find Telegram group's user phone number. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.